Hello students, today we will discuss conjunctions. Let's take about connector. Conjunction is a connector. A connector is a word which is used to join words, phrase and clauses. Kind of connectors: relative pronoun and relative adverb, conjunctions and prepositions. So a connector is of three kinds: relative pronoun and relative adverbs, conjunctions and prepositions. So in a sentence, in a word, in a phrase, a connector can be a relative pronoun or relative adverb, it can be a conjunction and it can be a preposition. So in this three way we can join a sentence, we can join a phrase with the another phrase, a word with the other word. A conjunction is a word or phrase which joins together words or sentences or part of sentences. Conjunctions help to say things in a simple and short way. So with the help of conjunction we can concise our sentence and we can join two words, two phrases and two sentences with the help of conjunctions. Now the classification of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction first is, second is subordinating conjunction and the third is correlative conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction joins together words, phrases or clauses of equal rank or importance that is they are independent, not dependent on the other. So here coordinating conjunction joins two words, two clauses or two phrases which are equal in rank, both are independent. The common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, still, only, yet, otherwise, or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, as well as, then, thus, etc. So these are the coordinating conjunctions. We use coordinating conjunctions when we find that the sentence or the part of sentence are equal in standard. For an example here, he worked hard but he failed. So he worked hard, this is an independent clause. He failed, it is also an independent clause. So we are using this conjunction to join two independent clause. He is a great and noble man. He is a great man, he is a noble man. So we are coordinating two clauses here, so we use and. There 3 and 2 make 5. Rishu is ill, so he is admitted to hospital. He is poor still. People like him. He is poor, this is independent clause. Still, people like him. People like him, this is also an independent clause. So we are joining two independent clauses, or we can say two independent sentence. We are going to connect with the help of this conjunction. Next clause is subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause when one clause is dependent and the other is independent, or the principal clause. Some common subordinating conjunctions are after, though, although, when, since, till, until, while, because, as, before, whether, if, as long as, though, lest, then, etc. So these are the subordinating conjunctions. We have already discussed coordinating conjunctions. Now this is subordinating conjunction. In coordinating conjunction, we have discussed that both the clauses are independent, but here we find that in subordinating conjunction, one is independent and the other is dependent. For an example, he will come if you invite him. He will come. This is an independent clause. If you invite him, this is dependent clause, and this will qualify only if when we use it with this. So it will get its meaning when it will be adjusted with this clause. He will come if you invite him. So one condition, if you invite him, then only he will come. So one condition, if it will fulfill, then only the second condition will be fulfilled. I don't know when she will come. So I don't know, that is independent clause. When she will come, this is dependent clause. So we use when here to qualify this, that this clause will get its meaning when we will attach it with I don't know when she will come. We can't go out because it is raining. Tell them that I will come. So these all are the examples of subordinating conjunctions. Now there are another examples also. I will wait until you come. Work hard lest you should fail. Something is better than nothing. Now the types of subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions of can be of many types. First is of time. When, while, before, after, until, till, since, as soon as long as, these are the conjunctions related to time. So when we find these type of conjunctions, when we can use these type of conjunctions when there is a requirement of time or the sentence is related to time. Of place, when there is requirement of the conjunctions using it is related to the place, related to some place, so with that we use where. Whenever, wherever, whence. So whenever is related to time, wherever is related to place. Of reason and cause, when we are to find out reason or the cause of anything, then we use these conjunctions because, since, as, that. Of purpose, that, in order that, lest, so that. Of result or consequence, that. Of condition, if, unless, provided that, as if, whether. Of concession, although, though. Of manner or extent, as far as. Of comparison of equal degree, as, less than, no less than. Comparison of unequal degree, as. Now let's go to the correlative conjunctions. These all are the examples of correlative conjunctions. So either or, either Ram or Mohan will go to Delhi. So only one condition will qualify. So this is correlative conjunction. Both and. She is both beautiful and intelligent. So both conditions are qualified here. She is both beautiful and intelligent. Neither nor. Neither Ram nor Mohan will go to Delhi. So no one will go here. Though, yet. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. So that. He worked so hard that he fell ill. Hardly when. Hardly he had stepped out of the house when the roof fell. Whether or. I don't know whether he will accompany me or not. No sooner then, no sooner did the bell ring than the boys ran out of their classes. Use of important conjunctions. First is time. He has been ill since he came here. Time. You can go wherever you like. Place. Purpose. He is working hard so that he may pass. Condition. If you wander out, you will fail. Cause. I'm glad that you have come. Comparison. He is cleverer than his brother. Manner. Do as you are told. Contrast. Although he worked hard, yet he failed. So these all are the important conjunctions. Kinds of coordinating conjunctions. First is cumulative, increasing or decreasing in quality, quantity or degree. Add one statement to another. So cumulative is when we add one statement to another. These are and when we use and, also, to, law, no less than, as well as, both, only, not only but also. When we use these type of conjunctions to add one statement with the another statement. Suman bought a pen and a pencil. Next is adversative. Adversative is a kind of opposition or antithesis. They express opposition or contrast between two statements. These are but, still, nevertheless, only, whereas, etc. I was angry, still, I kept quiet. Alternative. They express a choice between two statements. These are either or, neither nor, else, otherwise. Neither a lender nor a borrower, B. Elative. Stating an inference, deduce or conclude from the evidence. These show that one statement or fact is inferred from other. These are for, therefore, so, then, etc. He did not work, therefore he failed. So these all are the kinds of coordinating conjunctions we can use when we find two statements. We can use when only one statement is true and the other is false. So when we find both the statement are contrasting in manner. Alternative, when there is one choice, we can fulfill one or go to the next. Elative, we can infer here. We can infer many things here. We can conclude. So for the conclusion, we can use elative type statement. He did not work, therefore he failed. So this shows the result. Now let's take the exercise. Exercise 1. You can't explain this passage to me. I shall have to go to the teacher. So what will come here? Till, while, since, just, because. You can comment me the answer in the comment section. He is well known dash a thorough gentleman as, since, while. So what will come here, students? You are to give the answer in the comment section. The accident took place dash the train was crossing the bridge. So what will come here? As, since, while. She would rather starve dash beg. What will come here? Until, till, then. Don't allow him to enter the class dash he brings his parents. Then, while, until. What will come? So you are to give the answer in the comment section. Now the exercise 2. Use the connectors or the conjunctions and complete and combine the following pairs of sentences. He spent 5 years in America. he came to India. He will come back. I don't know the time. So you are to join these sentences with the proper conjunction or the connector. My uncle was roasting the bread. He burnt his hand. There are no oranges in the shop. We have to buy mangoes. You must work hard. You will not pass. So, dear students, you are to answer me these all the statements, these all the questions. You are to answer me in the comment section. Okay, students, I hope you have understood. Goodbye, stay safe and stay tuned.